In today's video, I'll show you how to empty your Dropbox trash and free up space quickly. Start by going to your Dropbox homepage. On the left-hand menu, click Deleted Files. This is where all your recently deleted items are stored. To remove everything at once, click the checkbox at the top of the list to select all files. Next, click Permanently Delete. Dropbox will prompt you to confirm, adding a layer of security. Enter your Dropbox password to proceed and then click Permanently Delete in the pop-up. And just like that, your trash is empty. Keep in mind, once files are permanently deleted, they cannot be recovered. So double check before hitting that button. By regularly emptying your Dropbox trash, you can maintain a cleaner, more organized workspace and free up storage space. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, like and subscribe for more Dropbox tips and tutorials.